there is a lot of concern among employees about possible layoffs among the large organizations and MSMEs. Okay, so people are really scared of losing jobs. How should the corporates handle this delicate issue so that they don't have to, lay off the employees, or even if they have to, there is something that they can do around this issue. So what would your views be on this?
This is one of the topics that I consider as my niche area. And recently I had written a blog on layoffs. So those things are some of the things are very fresh in my mind. According to official statistics that were released, as of April, we have 24% unemployment. Of those who lost their jobs in April 2020, 27 million were in their 20s and 33 million were in their 30s. We need to know this is the most vulnerable section of society. The older folks with more working experience can be expected to have some savings or investments which could help them tide over the immediate crisis. But the ones in the age bracket of 13 to 29 in middle class families will bear the brunt of this unemployment and layoffs. They will be having young families. There will be EMIs to service. So layoffs will really bite them. The crisis that we are in is not expected to end soon. Till a vaccine is found, we will find that there are frequent bouts of lockdowns and containment zones. This will translate into job losses. Middle class people who lose their jobs will be the hardest hit. Should layoffs happen? Will employees show empathy towards being asked to go and make their exit and future a bit easy? Before the layoff decision is taken, I feel some other options should be considered. Pay cuts are the order of the day. We have seen leadership coming from the top, wherein CEOs have consented to forego their entire salaries. Hope this percolates to other CEOs and their A teams. Salaries in the very top are high. People in that position would be financially secure. Taking a deep cut temporarily will not significantly impact their lives, but could save many jobs. If layoffs are inevitable, handling them with empathy and compassion will ease the burden on the departing employee. We have had some sterling cases wherein it was handled with a great deal of empathy and compassion. Airbnb recently had to ask 25% of their staff members to go, but the way it was handled has come for high praise from all around. My feeling is if a corporate is laying off employees, the laid off employee should be offered a decent financial severance package based on their tenure with the firm. There should be insurance coverage for self and family for at least a year. When a person is serving, there will be group insurance available to that person. But our regular Mediclaim policies exclude coverage of an employee on his ceasing to be on the rolls of an organization. So when an employee gets laid off, this insurance cover that is available will not be available in future. So it's up to the companies. The companies will have to talk to the insurance companies and ensure that there is an exception made wherein these employees will be covered for at least one more year. Then there could be counseling sessions for departing employees for mental conditioning. People will be mentally broke. They need to be put up on the feet, for which counseling should help. And before laying off an employee, an option should also be given कि as and when the crisis wanes and there are opportunities, these people who have been laid off will be allowed to join. While I bat for empathy and compassion for laid off people, there is hope that some people have not given up fighting. A friend of mine had an SME unit manufacturing corporate gifts. When the lockdown happened, it was assumed or it was presumed because there would not be any demand for his products, the company would shut down. But he was made of sterner stuff. He pivoted and started manufacturing COVID-19 protection items like masks, PE kits. So now he is ensured that his employees don't have to be laid off, and is ensuring that the company also doesn't go down under. Other SMEs could also do something on these same lines. There are big corporates who are doing this. On an individual level, if a person upgrades his or her skills, they could find this coming in handy for other job opportunities. Those who have utilized the lockdown time well will have an edge over those who spend that time binge watching Netflix or indulging in other pastime activities. Please note, in our fast moving world, the expiry date of a piece of knowledge is only 2.5 years to 3 years. So unless one upskills, upgrades his or her knowledge, we are going to become obsolete very, very soon. One needs to stop being a prisoner of the past and be the prime architect of the future, if in these troubled times we are going to succeed. Thank you.
Layoffs is actually looking to be a real problem in the coming times, which is unavoidable. But brilliant hacks given by Mr. KV Premraj, and I hope it resonates with the corporates, and some kind of innovation or some kind of new strategy is built in a way that maybe pay cuts come into the picture, but jobs are not lost. And also talking about the employees, if you're not upgraded enough, if you're not, laziness is passe. We cannot live in the zones of being lazy and taking things for granted. We have to be on the move. We have to be on our toes as employees also. And that is where this amalgamation is going to take things further, where layoffs may not happen and companies also keep growing as much as they deserve to. So thank you so much for those views.